Welcome to today's session in our 21-day Neurographic Art Challenge. Start by writing down words that come to mind related to today's topic. You have 2 minutes to write anything that you associate with this theme. The same topic every day for 21-day challenge. Don't forget. Count how many words you have. More than 20? Well done. Now, let's release the blockage that holds us back. We do this by expressing everything inside. This is called catharsis. By letting it out, we can finally face it. Next, we round every corner in our catharsis. Anywhere the lines cross, smooth out the edges, round it off. This prevents conflicts. After that, extend all the hanging lines using a neurographic line. This line does not repeat itself at any part of its movement, and it takes you where you don't expect it to see. By doing this, we're building new pathways in our brain, creating new neural connections. Once again, we round all the corners. This represents obstacles and blockages. By rounding them, we create a harmonious drawing. It's normal if you have any body sensations during this neurographic art drawing. Now it's time to add color. Follow the rule of coloring 2 or more segments together to create a bigger meaning from smaller parts. Pick colors intuitively, whatever feels right to you at the moment. Do not forget, white is also a color, so you don't have to color absolutely every segment on the paper. After coloring, we draw field lines. These are divine lines, representing help from the universe. Allow this energy to come in. Draw at least 2. You can use existing neurolines or you can create new ones. When you're done, do not forget to round off all the intersections. Next is the fixation, or the main figure. Look at your drawing and think about where you'd like to place a circle or any harmonious shape without sharp angles. This represents the answer to your question. The goal is achieved graphically. Final step, stylization. Look at your drawing. Do you want to add more lines, more color? You are the artist. You are the creator. So whatever you think your drawing needs, just add it. Remember, while doing neurographic art, we work with subconscious mind. Don't overthink it. Just follow the steps of the algorithm for removing limitations and enjoy creating your beautiful abstract art.